How to permanently delete your Pinterest account. So first is to open your Pinterest application. Now tap on your profile icon, which is located on the lower right corner. And now tap the ellipsis icon seen on the upper right corner. Now select Settings, and then choose the Privacy and Data option. Now you need to scroll all the way down to find the Delete Your Data and Account option. Select this option, to which will direct you to this page, which contains a warning. So by tapping the Continue button, an email will be sent to your Gmail account, which is linked to the server. And so from here, open your Gmail account and then open the message that was sent by Pinterest. And then tap the Yes button to permanently delete your Pinterest account. So by permanently deleting your Pinterest account, all the data that has been created will no longer be recovered. So that is how you permanently delete your Pinterest account. Thank you and have a great day.